These days, it seems like everybody's doing it. The growing body of research as well as bodywork pros, physical therapists, massage therapists, and personal trainers alike extol the soft tissue benefits of self-massage for improvements in muscular flexibility and reduction in stiffness, and even pain. Gyms and physical therapy centers are strewn with them, but how do you know what rollers are best for at-home use? To find out, we whittled down hundreds of options to a top-selling selection of the most popular roller types, and enlisted a cadre of experts and their muscles for more than 45 hours of kneading and compressing. We discovered that the ubiquitous firm-density foam rollers made of expanded polypropylene, EP, aren't much different from one another, at least in terms of the therapeutic benefits they can deliver. There are numerous options for cheap high-density foam roller, every with specific capabilities, blessings, and charges. I conducted a ton of research, studied a ton of opinions, and positioned a list of the top low-cost high-density foam roller from sincere manufacturers to help you make a knowledgeable desire. Following significant research, I found that these merchandise are pretty useful for individuals like you. If you need to know about the price and different statistics, make certain to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TriggerPoint Grid Foam Roller. A favorite of everyone from marathon runners to American ballet theater dancers, the TriggerPoint gets high marks for its bumps and ridges that simulate a hands-on massage, and the firm core that helps it keep its shape even after years of use. It's just the right density to be effective without bruising, says Radin Sturm, founder of the strength training studio of Tonic. A lot of rollers are too hard and will bruise rather than release. It's the perfect size that allows you to target all major parts of the body. Flexibility experts say rolling on the TriggerPoint not only eases sore muscles after a workout, it can loosen up your body before a stretching session. Elaine St. Dick, former head of training and development at the Stretching and Recovery Studio Stretch Relief, likes how the TriggerPoint allows for deep pressure, and Kika Wise, founder of Kika Stretch Studios, says that compared to a roller with a smooth surface, TriggerPoint will get into the tissue a little bit better, allowing for a more intense experience. I'm an avid runner, and the TriggerPoint is also my foam roller of choice, for many of the reasons the experts above cite. It's definitely an intense massage. I like to vary the intensity by resting more or less of my body weight on it, that relaxes my tightest muscles. I like this length for targeting the muscles of one leg at a time, but it's also available in a twice as long 26-inch size, if you want a longer roller. Number 2. Amazon Basics High Density Foam Roller. The deep focus pressure of the TriggerPoint isn't for everyone. If you're prone to bruising or are new to rolling, you might want a simpler but still effective option. The more spikes and grooves that you see, the more the muscles are stimulated, says Kieran Day, the chiropractor and co-founder of Rack Stretch Stretching Studio. This may sound great, but can be painful at first and may lead to injury, so definitely ease your way in with flatter, more basic tools like this option from Amazon Basics. The high-density foam means you'll still feel a lot of pressure, but it'll be evenly distributed throughout the roller's surface area. I prefer the smooth rollers over textured, to evenly massage out muscles, says Julie Cobble, a master instructor at Physique 57 Bar Studio, who says this model works great. This foam roller also comes in 4 sizes, up to 36 inches, the length of the standard foam rollers found in most gyms. Number 3. OPTP Lorox Align Foam Roller. There are times when you'll want a slightly softer foam roller, like when you're using a roller for more therapeutic massage. Jan Lefkowitz, the chiropractor at Body and Balance Chiropractic, recommends lying down with a medium-density foam roller, like the OPTP Lorox, underneath your back to improve your posture. Think of what your middle and upper back look like when you slouch, and you are essentially doing the opposite with this stretch, she says. Vanessa Chu, co-founder and crew of the Stretching Studio Stretch, agrees. She says this roller has a just right density for warming up and relaxing muscles before stretching. It also comes in a smaller travel-friendly 12-inch size. Number 4. Hyperice Vyper 3 High Intensity Vibrating Foam Roller. On the other hand, if you want something that provides an even deeper release than your standard high-density rollers, check out the extra firm Vibrating Vyper. Both in his practice and in his own personal use, Lefkowitz has found that vibrational technology does some pretty amazing things in terms of decreasing pain and muscle recovery. He told us the Vyper can bring powerful relief to the band area, the outsides of your thighs, as well as the quads and glutes. Celebrity personal trainer Danny Musico says, it gets deeper into muscles than any other foam roller I've used, and Barry's Bootcamp CEO Joey Gonzalez once called it the Tesla of foam rollers. The Vyper has 3 speed settings for mixing up the intensity of your massage. Christina Nassini, an athletic trainer at New Jersey Spine and Wellness, also likes that the Vyper's vibrating foam helps break up adhesions in the muscles. We recommended the Vyper 2.0, the older version of the Vyper 3, in our gift guide for dads with sore necks and backs. Number 5. Chirp Wheel Foam Roller. Comedian Gina Yashir, the co-creator and co-star of the sitcom Bob Hearts Abishola, told us that the Chirp wheel gave her the height and surface area she needed to stretch out her back. From the moment I rolled out on one and heard my back crack like a sheet of bubble wrap, I was hooked, she writes. The Chirp wheel's design fits perfectly between her shoulder blades. Using them is more or less like using a foam roller, she says. Lie on the surprisingly comfortable padding that surrounds the wheel, and then line up your spine with the groove in that padding, which circumnavigates the wheel. The brand calls this groove a spinal canal. The pressure is concentrated on whatever area of your spine is in the groove, and the few inches of muscle on either side of it. Strategist editor Winnie Yang also approves of the Chirp wheel. It does work much better for stretching out your back than a regular foam roller, she says. The narrower rolling surface the wheels have can require a little more attention to position them properly and to maintain your balance, but the shape also makes these easier to store. Chirp offers models in different diameters. The 12-inch diameter offers low pressure, while the 6-inch wheel provides deep pressure to knotty muscles. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.